Hello guys and welcome to Trading Phase channel. Today we are going to dive in the world of cryptocurrency for beginners. We will introduce you cryptocurrency exchanges, show how they work and guide you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. We will also share useful websites, explain their operations and how to use them. In the description we will provide all useful links. Let's go. Let's first talk about CoinMarketCap. It's like the Wikipedia in the world of cryptocurrency. On this website you can see a list of all existing cryptocurrencies. Check their current price and how it has changed. You can also sort the coins by their increase or decrease over a certain period. As you can see, here is 24-hour button. If I press it, I will see which cryptocurrencies have increased the most over 24 hours. And if I press it again, I will see which coins have dropped the most over 24 hours. As you can see, the market is currently growing, so the percentage of coins growth is much larger than the percentage of their fall. The same can be done for 1 hour or for a week. Here you also open each coin you are interested in, for example Solana. This is a historical price chart. You can see how the price has changed over a day, a week, a month, or even all time. Also on the left you can find all important links such as the project's website and its social networks like Telegram or Twitter. At the top there is an About tab, opening which you can read about the project, its development, technology and history. If you click on the Markets tab, you will see a list of exchanges where this coin is traded, its price on a specific exchange and so on. It's an incredibly valuable resource for those new to the world of cryptocurrency. You will find the link to this site in the description. The second useful site is TradingView. It's for more experienced market users for analyzing different currencies and stocks, but as beginner it will be useful to you because there is a community. To get there, simply click on the community tab at the top, then click on trade ideas and select the market that interests us. In our case, crypto. Here different users post their opinions and analysis regarding this or that coin. You can open each such post, read what people write here, see their price predictions and why they think so, as well as there are comments from other users on this topic. This is really very useful, especially for those who do not have time to analyze on their own. We will tell you more about this site in a separate video. You can find the link to it in the description under this video. And the next part, crypto exchange. In this section I will tell you how to choose an exchange, how to buy, sell cryptocurrency on the exchange. On the first website I showed you, CoinMarketCap, there is an exchange section where you can see a list of all available exchanges. The most important thing is to check if the exchange available in your country. To do this, simply open any from the list, then open the About the Exchange section and look for the Restricted Country section. If your country is not on this list, you can safely register on the exchange. From our side, we can recommend you 3 exchanges for registration as they are time-tested, have an user-friendly interface for beginners. These are the exchanges Bybit, OKX and Binance. We have a partnership with these exchanges and all our subscribers who have registered on these exchanges receive 24 hours per week support, discounts on trading commissions. To clarify, when you buying or selling any cryptocurrency, you pay a percentage of the commission to the exchange. And by registering through our links, you will get a wonderful discount of 50% on those trading commissions. And the most interesting bonuses. For example, by registering through our link on the Bybit exchange and completing tasks on the exchange, you can receive a bonus of up to $30,000. We left all the registration links in the description, and we also have a video tutorial with subtitles in 50 languages on how to register on the Bybit exchange. The link will also be in the description. Since we already have a video tutorial on how to register on the Bybit exchange, all further instructions will be conducted on this exchange. After you have registered and verified your identity, it's time to fund your exchange account in order to buy cryptocurrency. So, how to get fiat currency on Bybit in order to trade it for crypto? At the top of the site, there will be a section Buy Crypto, and in it there will be a button One Click Buy. Bybit is essentially using payment providers, so for Euro there is good support. You can use a bank transfer. So it's going to be the best way if you can deposit an amount right into the Bybit according using a bank transfer. If you are unable to make a deposit in euros in your country, then Bybit will offer you the option to select the currency of your country and also immediately the cryptocurrency you want to buy. But we advise you to choose USDT. This is a cryptocurrency that is pegged to the dollar, and all trades within the exchange occur in this currency. After you have made a deposit to the exchange, go to the trade section and click on the spot trading button. If you have already made a deposit from your fiat currency to USDT, then you can start buying, selling cryptocurrency. If you made a deposit in euros, you can open the search in the top left corner and open the Euro tab, where you can see a list of cryptocurrencies that you can buy in euros. However, as you can see, there are not many available, only 9 coins, in contrast to the 400 coins that can be bought in pair with USDT. Therefore, if possible, we advise you to switch to the Euro-USDT pair, click here Buy button, select Market here, enter the amount of USDT you want to buy, and then click Buy USDT at the bottom. After this, you can start buying, selling cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about this in more detail. Return to the search tab in the top left corner and open the USDT section. As you can see, here is a very long list of coins. Let's for example open Bitcoin, and now I will give you a brief but detailed tutorial on the interface. As you have already understood, in the top left corner of the terminal we have a search of cryptocurrencies that we can trade. All you need to know is that in this large window you can see the price movement chart. To the right of it, you can see the order book. In the center of it, it is the average current price of Bitcoin. Above it are the sell orders from the other market users, and below it are the buy orders. Even further to the right from the order book, it is the tool for buying, selling, and now we will look at it in more details. As a beginner, you need to know that there are 2 types of purchases: market and limit. So a market purchase is a buying at the current price. For example, if Bitcoin is currently priced at this amount, and if you choose to buy at the market price, then you will buy it at that price at that very moment. That is, all you need to do is enter the amount of USDT you want to spend on buying Bitcoin. After that, click the buy button. Limit is a specific price at which you are willing to buy Bitcoin. For example, if you think it's too expensive to buy Bitcoin now, but you would be willing to buy it for $50,000, then you place a limit order to buy Bitcoin at price of 50k. Enter this amount here. Below, write how much money you want to spend on it or how much Bitcoin you want to buy. For example, 1 Bitcoin. Now press the buy button and your purchase order is created. Now, when Bitcoin drops to the mark of 50,000, your order will automatically be executed and you will buy Bitcoin at the price you specified. Now, imagine that you bought one Bitcoin for 50,000 and you want to sell it. Click on the sell button. And the same scheme works here. There are two types of sales, market and limit. Market, as you already understood, means you will sell your Bitcoin at the current price. And limit, you specify the price at which you are willing to sell Bitcoin, for example 70,000. Also enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell and click on the sell button. Now, when the price reached this mark, your Bitcoin will automatically be sold and you will receive USDT. Yes, of course, there are other types of orders, there are other types of trading and so on. But as beginner, it's too early for you to know about this. We will cover this in another video later. Now, an important question: how to withdraw money from the exchange. For example, you have USDT after selling Bitcoin. You again go to the top left corner, select the Euro section, the Euro USDT tab. On the right, select the Sell tab. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell and receive Euro and press the Sell button. After that, at the top right, click on the Assets button, then Withdraw. At the top right, press the Fiat Withdraw button. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Select the withdrawal service and then follow the simple instructions. Yes, of course, there are many different withdrawal options, such as withdrawal through P2P among other exchanges users or withdrawal to another wallet exchange. But we will talk about this in another video. If you are interested, just give a thumbs up to this video and we will do it. But that's all for now. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope we were able to help you in some way. Have a great day.